Bake for 10 minutes in the oven at 200 degrees. After baking in the oven for 5 minutes, you want to add your sauce to the bottom. So you've got your sauce on the bottom right up to the edges, and you want to take some cheese and put some cheese on there. Got some red Leicester going on this one, and then you want to add some salami, pack that on there, and some smoked salami. Get some more on the other one. Yummy. Big meat feast. I've got big cheese on there, and then we want to put some feta cheese on there as well, guys. Why not? Take advantage of this pizza. It's gonna be yummy. Get some feta cheese on that one as well, guys. Mucky hands with the feta cheese, but never mind. Get a bit more feta cheese on here. Boom. Add a little garlic and some mixed herbs on the top. Over we go. Boom, boom. Pop it in the oven for another 10 minutes on 200. Yummy. Yummy, scrumptious pizza. Yummy.